Hello everyone, this is Mario from Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Olympia Cremina espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to disassemble the entire group head, clean it and replace some of the gaskets of the piston and some of the gaskets of the machine. We had basically the whole assembly like this. Previously this machine was leaking a lot from here and there was a lot of kind of like residue, like scale buildup around the whole group head and some parts of the machine itself. We polished them, we cleaned them, made sure the gaskets were not leaking. This machine has already been on for a while and it's been constantly at 1.1 bars of pressure. It's been working the way it's supposed to and just yeah, just working. So we're gonna be doing an espresso shot and then we're gonna be using the steam. Now we do not have the tray, that's why you see this kind of like DIY tray that we just put in there. That's just to hold the cup, and let's just start with the shot. Now I am using a very fine grind for this machine. I'm using a Elite Bianca grinder, so it's a bit more finer for this machine, so I'm gonna have put a little bit extra pressure, but once it gets to channel through it, I'll be able to extract that espresso shot and have nice crema. Also the angle that I'm doing it doesn't really help to brew that perfect cup. There you go. Just gonna let it see there. I will remove the shot from here and let it drip into the tray, but we don't have the tray and I don't want to get the machine dirty, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. As you can see, we have a nice layer of crema. I was using a bit finer, a grind that was a bit finer for this machine, but we were able to do a nice shot. And now we're gonna test the steamer. And as you can see, steams perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, working great. Boiler heating once again and going to the right temperature as well. So there you have it, Olympia Cremina working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.